Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read short forms. Let's learn. Look at the pictures and read the sentences given below them. I am a student. Don't throw stones. She is my teacher. Sometimes we squeeze a word to make it shorter. कभी कभी हम word को short कर देते हैं, उसको shorter बनाने के लिए. For example, instead of do not, do and not, we often use don't like this, don't, by putting apostrophe. Now, especially while speaking, such words are also called contractions और short forms. जब हम इस तरह के words को बोलते हैं या लिखते हैं तो इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Contractions या short form. You will notice that we have put an apostrophe on the top after the N and didn't use the O like this. Do and apostrophe and T. हमने यहाँ पर O का यूज़ नहीं करा not लिखने के लिए. कैसे? हमने यहाँ पर ओ का यूज नहीं किया तो ये हमने क्या किया? वर्ड को श्रिंक कर दिया, उसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. नाउ in these words we have used the short form of the word. An apostrophe S is used in place of the missing letter. Often we also write she is as she's, we are as we are, and I am I am. In these words we have removed the I and A and use the apostrophe to make short form. Apostrophe को use करके हमने क्या करा? उसकी short form बना दी. Now look at the following tables. Short form of is. Now word he is like this. Now its short form is he apostrophe and S. She's apostrophe she apostrophe S. In the short form of are, word they are. In short form, they apostrophe and then written RE. Now in we are, we apostrophe and RE. The short form of not, words cannot. यहाँ इसको पूरा लिखा है can not. जब हमने इसकी short form बनाई तो हमने क्या किया? N के बाद apostrophe को डाल दिया. Can't, did not, didn't, could not, couldn't, should not, shouldn't, do not, don't, will not, won't. I hope आपको ये clear हुआ होगा. Now this is your exercise. You have to practice it.